I'm so into my head slam right now, man. I'm gonna let you shoot at me one more time.
All right, all right. See, that's Big Red, man. Just so you understand, we got a lot of dark places within our mind. Gunshots to the dark places. Now, I want to say this, Red. I got a question for you that's off topic from prison, but it's on topic still. I'm sitting here listening to the birds in the background. I did 5 years in ADX. All the penitentiaries I've been to, there was no trees. So I went over 20 years without hearing a bird chirp other than on TV. I want to ask you, what do you think right now? What is in your mind as I'm asking you this question? I'm preparing you to just go deep within. What is your thoughts to be free after 39 years and hearing those birds chirping as you sitting there, a free man, hearing those birds right now? What's going through your mind? I know you wasn't even thinking about it, but now I'm going to give you a reason to. All right.
Uh, it's funny you asked for this shit, young Slim. Uh, I came up in Washington, D.C., Southeast. The only four-legged creatures that I'd ever seen was cats, dogs, and rats. And so I'm down south right now, and I'm surrounded by humongously large trees that cast a shadow over the yard. I'm hearing birds chirp, dogs barking, cows meowing. But one of the big things that really I missed was when I knock on the door and I can distinguish the sound of footsteps, the pitter patter of a woman's feet. Now I'm not saying I have no no fetus with feet, but it's just a sound, perfume, babies crying, right? That 40-foot wall for all those years, because I've never been in a low security prison. So a lot of those things were kept and hidden from me, right? And so I began to imagine a world unlike my own. So I dreamt, I fantasized, I imagined, my imagination began to excel, and I found comfort of living a dream in a penitentiary that at times it was no light at the end of the tunnel for me, right? So, but I refused to give up. I knew that the system had my physical frame, but my mind was my own. I wasn't going to get at it, right? So I just kept on believing. Like I said before, I said, shit, Martin Luther King had a dream. Shit, why can't I have one, right? So I held fast to that. But this is all new, the swiping of a debit card in Walmart, right? Everything is new. Technology, it wasn't no cell phones, iPads, computers, when I came in. And so it's almost like learning how to walk all over again, right? I got a lot of pride. I got a big ego. So I really don't stick my hand out for favors because I know for a fact, I'm a stand-up dude. The street will love me to be on their team, right? But I got to pass that up right now. You understand? Because, but on the real tip, and I swear I love black women. What? But man, they have changed so much, right? And that's been my biggest foe, my interacting with females. I mean, my daughters, sisters, women in the street, whatever, right? And I guess, man, you know, by design, right? They holding down the job market, right? They're more outspoken because they are, in fact, the breadwinners, right? But I can't be controlled. You understand? I can not be vocal, right? I'm gonna speak my mind, right? And people try to impress upon me because I was absent for so long that I don't know shit, right? But I know a lot. I've never been to China, but I've read about it, right? I mean, for real. I mean, I've really got into it, and I've traveled, you know, mentally throughout the world, right? And I sit before you today, and I resent the fact I've never been out of the country, right? And I'm bigger than this shit, you know. I deserve a lot, right? And so I fought in the joint, and I'm fighting out here, right? But I ain't giving up. I don't quit too fast. You feel me? All right, Slim.
Yeah, that was deep. That was deep. You know, I wanted them to really tap into the mind of our mindset is from our choices that we made.
Cheers, cheers, toast the crime, toast the crime, the crime, the crime, the crime. Fresh out the can of 26, he back on the strip, getting back in the mix. What he mentions a gift. You stand up 10 toes down, and I suggest you pay attention to this. Take a little gully posse and put it in Harlem. He cut from the bottom, came up from the bottom. Drop the book, you should go and get it. The Instagram page and the YouTube, you could go and visit. Then you could consider yourself LinkedIn. Sit front row and get Jews from a kingpin. How he went through it, so you ain't gotta go do it. To not pay attention would be stupid. Talking about a man that probably put your grandfather on. Probably the reason that him and your grams got along. A man that generated millions on the block, did his time, never squilling to the cops, Mecca audio. Get it live like 2 G's in the 90s. Drop top beamer so shiny. I let shorty go, she was whining. Treat her like my past, she behind me. Spend a couple bands on the Dapper Dan. You be back again, getting green like a Packers fan. No cap, it's a roaring uptown. Baby horn uptown, Dominican bust downs. Now we on the positive, we got a lot to give. Now he trying to stop the kids from being inoperative. So take heed, homie, lend an ear. He started in uptown, he gon' finish dead. But now it ain't about selling drugs, buying cars. It's about buying property to make the community ours. So we can give back to the youth them. Cause they the truth them. And bless up to all the road men.